Hello, welcome back to Rift Wizard 2. Gonna do another run today. Just gonna get a lot of sorcery stuff, I think, because I want to show off Furnace of Sorcery, which we did show off already in the Metallomancer playthrough, but we didn't get to show it off to its full extent because we were limited to metallic spells. I picked up Fireball there because the bats were going to kill me, and it's a decent spell anyway. Okay, so pets, free spells, or armor. I don't care about any of that stuff, so I'm going to reroll. Okay, Ruby Heart is nice. I think we'll just go for the heart. Level is pretty closed off. But that should be fine. Okay, so more hearts, staves, sorcery stuff is pretty good. Since we are going pretty much all in on sorcery. Sorcery spells and skills gain 50% damage, 2 range, 1 radius. Yeah, that's nice. I think I can start on the staff and we should be okay. Okay, 5 SP. We are actually pretty close to being able to afford Furnace of Sorcery. How much damage did we do? Not that much with Sorcery though. So probably what I actually want to do is upgrade the Sorcery stuff we currently have so it's doing more damage. So there's some spells here, heart here, some pets here, and a golden stopwatch. What sort of pets can we get? Electric Silent Spectre is pretty nice. So I guess I'll go here and I'll get that. But probably what I will do is get Ricochet for Magic Missile. That'll let it bounce and hit multiple targets. Fireball's probably better on this level because of all the bag of bugs. But we can hit like that gate from here because of the ricochet, which is nice. So there we go, we're getting better damage now, I think. The reason that the damage is important is because Furnace of Sorcery will summon Hounds based on the amount of damage you do. Whenever you deal 100 damage with Sorcery, we get a Furnace Hound. Okay, more pets, a heart, and some daggers that don't apply to what we're doing. This level's pretty big and open, which works out well with Magic Missile, especially if we pick up Arcane Orb, which is worth doing, I think. So I think I'll start on an SP Orb. We can pick up Arcane Orb, so this will cast our Magic Missile every turn. And that includes casting with the, what's it called? Ricochet upgrade. Ah, he resists Arcane, okay. I don't know if I want the Orb of Corruption, because once I pick it up, the only way to get rid of it is to use it. I guess I'll pick it up. We'll probably be strong enough to use it at some point. Okay, there's some caps here, golden stopwatch, and there's also a star gold or star toxin redeal, which would work well with Magic Missile. The level is a little bit closed off. These guys also 100% resist Arcane, 100% resist Fire, so that's not really doable. I don't care about this stuff, so I'm going to reroll. Again, these guys are on the level. Electricity stuff, or a heart, more flame walls. Very annoying. So I guess we have to do this level, despite the fact that I'm not interested in the items. Hopefully our ghost doesn't block off. Yeah, very good. Okay, the ghost is silencing the Lightning Master, which is good. And we can pick up, I guess, an electric dagger. We might eventually get some electricity sorcery stuff. Okay, 5 SP. We can pick up Furnace of Sorcery entering the next level. So we've got a heart here, fiery stuff here, some trinkets, none of which are useful. Okay, this level's pretty closed off with lots of corridors, but that's actually fine once we pick up Furnace of Sorcery, because summons work well with more closed off levels usually. So we'll start on the SP orb down here. We can pick up Furnace of Sorcery and stick that down. So yeah, every 100 damage with Sorcery we summon a Furnace Hound. Already got a couple, which is nice. The Furnace Hounds are also fire immune, which means we can just cast Fireball on top of them without worrying. And there's an upgrade for Furnace of Sorcery, Arcane Eye Bolts. That'll let our Hounds cast Magic Missile, and that's pretty good. What will end up happening is we'll get a ton of Hounds through Furnace of Sorcery, and then those Hounds will get us even more Hounds, because they'll be casting Sorcery spells. Works out very well. This level is pretty nice. There is a heart here, and a teleporter. That level, we've already got a staff, and I'm not interested in those trinkets, plus there's a Fey Huntsman on the level. Also more flame walls. Okay, so let's just start down here. This looks a little bit quieter. Fey Giant Spiders only resist Arcane, they're not immune. Oh, we've actually run out of Furnace Hounds, which is kind of surprising. The Sorcerer's Orb there is pretty nice. All of our sorcery stuff will get improved by that. Free spells. And some trinkets. I think I'll go for the Sorcerer's Orb. There's a lot of eyeballs on this level. Maybe I don't want to go there. That level looks a lot easier. I guess we could get a Vial of Ambrosia, that's useful to have. Yeah, I think I'll go here. This guy is Arcane immune, so we'll probably need to help them out a little bit. Actually no, the Fire Aura helps. Okay, we've got enough SP to get the upgrade on Furnace of Sorcery. So now our Hounds will be casting our Magic Missile, which is pretty nice. And we can pick up the Vial of Ambrosia. Okay, heart there, pets, heart and a stopwatch. Lots of liches. Liches are quite annoying on these sorts of levels, because they can end up leaving their soldier way off where we can't actually get to it. Maybe I don't want to do that level then. This level should be fine. yeah, now that our Furnace Hounds are doing Magic Missile, we're getting a lot more of them, which is nice. Okay, 6 SP, we probably want to get Arch Sorcerer at some point. We can get that entering the next level. Spark Star Cap. That would be interesting with Crackle Void, because Crackle Void will redeal Arcane as electricity, then the Spark Star will redeal electricity as Arcane. So I think I want to go here and try that out. Sparkstar Cap. In fact, I think I'll get Crackle Void right now. Yep, so whenever an enemy takes Arcane, we deal that much lightning to 2 enemies in a 6-tile burst. Let's see, did that work? Yep, so the Furnace Hound did Magic Missile, that did a bunch of Arcane, that did a bunch of Lightning, which did a bunch of Arcane, which did a bunch of Lightning. Yeah, that's not an infinite loop, but we're getting a lot of damage from that, that's pretty nice. I guess it also helps our Electric Silent Spectre a little bit. Okay, so we've got some staves here, we've already got a staff, stopwatch and a heart, and a teleporter and some pets. This has a ton, excuse me, ton of troublers. They are very annoying. And that guy. They are arcane immune. Probably don't want to go there. What are these pets? I guess the fairy guy would heal us. This also has some troublers. Frostbite troublers. I think I'll just reroll. Another Orb of Corruption. I guess we could go there and get 2 of them for whatever reason. And hearts here. This level is pretty doable. So there's this one. A little bit more difficult, but not too bad. I think I'll just go here. Yeah, Crackle Void is doing very well. Crackle Void and the Sparkstar Cap. Okay, flags, heart, or some treasures, and a stopwatch. This does have these Annihilation Goo enemies who 100% resist Arcane. I think that should be okay. We've got 8 SP. I can pick up melting armor because the Hounds are doing fire damage. Or I could pick up Arch Sorcerer so we get more charges and more damage. Let's see, what's this level look like? Fey Huntsman, don't really want to do that. I think I'll go here. And I'll pick up melting armor. We lost our furnace at some point, but that's okay. The Hounds will be able to take care of that guy very easily. Okay, 8 SP. I'll pick up Arch Sorcerer. So now we can get 2 furnaces out. Crackle Darkener there would make things pretty good if we picked up Carnival of Pain, but let's not do that. Let's see. These guys resist Arcane, 50% resist fire, so Melting Armor will take care of them. A Marksman Cap. No, we've already got the Sparkstar Cap, we don't need that. I guess we can start up here in this corner. We'll take a little bit of damage from the Liches, I guess. I'm going to stick both of my furnaces down. We've already got a ton of Furnace Hounds. Ah, that brain tree. What was hitting us? Oh, it's this guy. He's doing 1 damage every turn. He should die pretty quickly. Or not. I really need to get our Hounds down there. I don't have Disperse or anything though. I'm actually just going to Mana Potion. We can stick another Furnace down this way. Because I need to get some Hounds on this guy to hit him with some physical damage. Otherwise he's going to take forever to die. These brain trees are multiplying as well. Unfortunately they're all just magic missiling when I want them to pounce and hit this guy. Okay, this guy, finally. Hopefully he hits him. There we go. Now we just have to wait for the very laggy brain trees to die. Ah, this Lich. The stupid Liches with their soul jars. If I teleport over there, do I die? Possibly. That's pretty annoying. It's gonna take forever for me to walk over there, so I'm gonna stopwatch, teleport, take out the soul jar. That's pretty irritating that that was necessary. Yeah, that level would have been way easier with Disperse, so I should pick that up immediately. If I had Disperse, I would have been able to take out that soul jar without needing to burn the teleporter and the stopwatch. So let's get that right away. And let's see what we have. There's a stopwatch here, which is pretty nice. Let's go get that, if that's possible. Yep, this level is fine. A few of these Wailing Banshees, but that should be okay. In fact, the Banshee got silenced just before. So yeah, let's disperse all this stuff, and that makes things a lot quicker. We can pick up Finger 6, that'll help with Ricochet on Magic Missile. Another golden stopwatch, the level is not great. This level is fine. What do we get? I guess we can get some armor. Or some skills. I'll just go here. This guy has a pretty large range, Ice Breath I think. So we'd want to start all the way on the other side of the level. Actually, we've got enough SP for Word of Chaos. So maybe I just Word of Chaos. Yeah, let's do that. We can disperse these guys. And we're done. Yeah, I probably should have picked up Disperse before I picked up Arch Sorcerer. That would have made that level way easier. The one where we got stuck with the brain trees forever. Eye of Invincibility is going to give everyone shields. Troubling Masses. This level is fine, but we don't really get anything too exciting from it. So I'm going to reroll. I can probably just go here. We can get a heart out of that. Let's get Master of Memories for an extra charge on Word of Chaos and Furnace. Now we can stick down 3 of these guys. And we can disperse them away. Okay, Crackle Darkener again. Or another heart and an Orb of Corruption. Maybe I should actually just use the Orb of Corruption. And see how we go. We'll get more SP, probably. Yeah, let's see what this looks like. Fey Fire Fiends. That is a bit of an issue. That's just Essence Flux. Okay. Got ourselves another Orb of Corruption. This is probably not the greatest idea, but let's just use it and see how we go. We lost all of our charges on Word of Chaos and Furnace of Sorcery. We did get 2 extra SP that we can't reach. So let's Mana Potion, Word of Chaos, get down our furnaces. And disperse you. We can pick up Icicle for 1 SP, so we've effectively gained 1 SP from this level using the Orb of Chaos. We got some extra rifts as well. Orb of Corruption, I mean. I'm actually tempted to go here, so we can keep on doing this. This level is actually fine as well, so we could go here and get another orb. Yeah, why the hell not? Okay, let's see. Hopefully we don't lose Word of Chaos this time. We didn't, which is good. Do we get anything? We got a portal key, I guess. It's Word of Chaos. Yeah, there's nothing on this level except for a portal key. So maybe I don't even want to do it. Let's just skip that level. Kronos. We have a ton of SP. Let's see. Kinda want to pick up Arc Lightning. We've got so much SP, we may as well. That'll get many Hounds out very quickly. These guys ended up in the walls somehow. This guy's right next to us. can probably Essence Flux on him. And then he dies. Ah, I did not know that these guys could dig. That explains how they ended up inside the walls. $50,000 minus resist physical. One of them just needs to attack him in melee. They're probably all doing magic missile. I guess we can do physical ourselves if I pick up Meteor. That should kill him. Yep. What do we even get from this level? Nothing really. So we're up to Mordred. We may as well just use the last Orb of Corruption. I'm going to stand next to the portal actually, just in case it's a terrible level and I want to leave. Do we get anything? We got a mana potion. We got a mana potion and that was it. So yeah, let's just leave. And I guess I'll pick up Master of Time so that the stun on Word of Chaos lasts for longer. Mordred is right next to us, which is pretty scary. Let's make sure we very definitely step away from him. There's nothing that can blink us around, right? No. Okay, that's Word of Chaos again. There he is. Let's Fireball, I guess. That will stun him as well. Let's disperse some of our guys down his way, if possible. He's on his last life, he's about to die, probably next turn. Nope, one more. Yeah, there we go. Pretty easy. Magic Missile is pretty great in Rift Wizard 2. Any spell that can cast your spells is really good. So Arcane Orb casting Magic Missile and Furnace of Sorcery casting Magic Missile works very well. But yep, so we started with Magic Missile and Fireball. Sorcery stuff there was pretty lucky. Got Ricochet and the Silent Spectre. Arcane Orb. Furnace of Sorcery. And then Arcane Eye Bolts for the Hounds. Sparkstar Cap and Crackle Void actually, yeah, I think that was doing pretty well. Crackle Void, Sparkstar Cap, yeah. Furnace Hounds managed to beat it out though, so they were the main source of damage. Melting Armor there probably helps out a lot with that. This level really sucked. I should have gotten Disperse instead of Arch Sorcerer. That would have made that way quicker. Yeah, this level was 12 turns, mostly due to Disperse helping out. We got Word of Chaos here, Master of Memories, Essence Flux for the Fae, or were they? Fae, whatever, demons. Yeah, not too bad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.